So when it come down to the Menards card, even though you have their big card, you still have to mail in your 11% rebate. If you do not mail it in, you're not going to get that 11%. So make sure you guys are mailing it in. I like to just keep, or I used to like to just keep stamps in the car at that time. I keep stamps just because I help with credit disputes. I keep stamps in the car, but I used to keep the stamps in the car in envelopes so I can mail it like right then and there, because if you don't mail it, you're missing out. I remember I used to miss out on a lot of money, like $40 I could have got, $30. It's just because I didn't mail it. So make sure you guys are mailing it. Keep some stamps in the car. If you know you're going there, it's a book of stamps. You can pay what, $12, $13 to get 20 stamps. So keep them in the car. Keep a stack of envelopes. That's $1.25 in the car, and then you can mail it in, because you have to mail it in to be able to get that rebate. Now, let me share, because I'm the Google queen. I looked on Google. Let me share with you the Senate. Yeah, you have to make sure that you're mailing it in if you want to get it. So here it is. So you can find that form in store or online, but you have to make sure that you're mailing it in. So you have to mail it in, and you have to mail it in with a stamp. Okay. That's something you're going to have to do. And they have the rebate center right here. So if you guys want more information, you guys can ask them in the store, but you'll have to make sure that you're mailing it in. So here it is right here where they're showing you basically having to mail it in. And here's that address that you'll have to actually mail it into. But you have to mail it in to get it, or you're not going to get it, you guys. And like I said, I did that a lot where I didn't mail it in, and it's not good. Like, it's not good that I didn't mail it in. I missed out on so much money.